Hey guys, hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today we've got a real short unboxing. Won't take much time at all, but it does give me an opportunity to ask you to please hit that subscribe button below if you haven't yet. Actually, it helps the videos get seen by more people. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. I'd love for you to comment and tell me what type of content you'd like to see on the channel. Typically, on Javon's Knife Flicks, you'll see EDC type of overviews, knife type of overviews, pocket knives that come from my personal collection. But today we're going to open up with a little package from Traditional Park Pocket Knives, and we're going to use the Ohio Riverjack as our unboxing knife. Let's see what we got here. That was kind of my descent into a slip joint type deal. And one thing about traditional pocket knives, as I think we talked about in the last unboxing, is they just load you up with swag. So I'll hide the personal info and we'll get out the swag. And then we'll use the box to ship giveaway knives. Alright guys. So what we have here, you can only imagine, is not that exciting, but we do have a couple of stickers, Traditional Pocket Knives. I think our brother Pocket Metal designed that bad boy. Rosecraft blades. I know Pocket Metal designed probably all of these different logos. Very cool stuff, very cool stickers, cool swag. I appreciate it, and I will be sure to throw it in and pass it on. And then you've always got what's going on at traditionalpocketknives.com, like their exclusives, their Bexers and their Rockwalls, the Hedgehogs, which I picked up a Hedgehog, but not quite from there because I didn't want a titanium new traditional for some reason. I don't know why. It just seemed like it needed to be my Carta. Penguins, all their exclusives are in here. Ohio Riverjacks, which we'll talk about soon. That's what I've actually got in my pocket today, is the black Ohio Riverjack sheep's foot. And then that's where this comes in. Because to truly get into slip joints, what I've been told is you've got to try a slip and go with the slip life part of it. So I don't know if this slip's even going to fit the Ohio Riverjack. The comments made me think it would, and I know there are better slips out there, and I feel blasphemous. I apologize to Joe Lancelot Leather. I'm sending a couple of real knives to him to do nicer sheaths on, and if I ever did get into slip joints, with God willing, I will have quenched my appetite with the Ohio Riverjack here, and seems to go in there fine. You know, I know that a lot of people like to have it where it comes out. So, you know, I don't know if you would consider that too big or too small, or if I'm just putting it in there the wrong way. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. And one way or another, I don't know if I'll use this or if I'll pass it on, but I just wanted to kind of see what it was like. Because, again, I've seen pictures of other people's work, and, you know, this is decent. For 35 bucks, I think it was. I think it'll fit my needs, which are very basic. So I'll get it formed up the way I want it formed up, and then we'll just go from there and see what happens, guys. But that is the medium slip from Traditional Pocket Knives. I think they've got a medium and a large. It gives the dimensions, you know, so I've also got the little Hedgehog from QSP that's just been in my pocket. Both of these I carry naked in my pocket. I don't know if I'm going to want something thicker that just falls in my pocket with a slip joint in it, but we'll see. We'll give it a try, and I'll report back and let you know, guys, know what I think. But anyways, I appreciate you stopping by. I know it's been a short video, but it gives me time to ask you to please look out for the guy or girl to your left. Please look out for the guy or girl to your right. Look out for each other. Hit subscribe, hit like or dislike. Leave a comment. Say, John, that was a stupid video to upload on a Saturday. I'll agree. I didn't expect to get it in today. Look on the bright side. It could have been a compressionless air little vacuum blower thing I got for my laptop and for my little studio, so you don't see as much tippy hair. But I won't bear you guys to have to sit through that unboxing. So this was EDC related. I figured I should show it off. And again, just preemptive, Joe, don't worry. This is not where I'm going with my my Fine Leatherworks needs, ED Roundtable for life, EDC Roundtable for life, and Master Joda will be making all of my J-Cal sheaths, which are growing by the day, so that's getting to be a problem too. But hey guys, I love you all. I say it's all in the name of content. I hope you support the channel. I hope you enjoy the content. I love you all. Till we meet again, keep loving your heart. Go forward with debate, not hate. Peace.